it's Xavier the Arrowworm, and welcome back to my channel. Recently, I've noticed that 48% of you are not subscribed. If you could, please hit that bell. It'll really help out my analytics. Now, there are 100 species arranged in 22 genera of us, and they're found in every part of the ocean. So let's keep that Ketognatha army strong. You all are the best fan base across YouTube. I swear. If you want to keep seeing lit videos like this one, make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications to never miss a new one. Before I jump into today's video, I just wanted to quickly introduce myself for my new subs. So again, hi, I'm Xavier, I'm an arrowworm. I'm found near the surface of water. You know, I gotta stay safe from those predators. You know what, let's get right onto the video. Today I'm showing you guys my daily routine. I was supposed to film a mukbang eating challenge with Trisha Paytas tonight, but I decided it's best to stick to, copepods, because I have to start eating as healthy as I can to start training for my boxing match against Logan Paul in January. Now, last time I filmed a mukbang, I basically ate my whole diet, which consists of amphipods, ostracods, polychaetes, planktonic tunicates, and fish larvae. Now, I'm not like other YouTubers. I attend school while being an influencer all at the same time. Right now, I have to log on to health class. I'm so happy I didn't have to use my non-muscular fins to swim to school. I could just use my fins to float here as I listen to this online lecture.
Hello class, it's Professor Ocean, and today in health class we are going to be talking about the reproductive mode and the developmental patterns of arrowworms. So for the reproductive mode, arrowworms are hermaphroditic, which means that they may undergo reciprocal, non-reciprocal, or self-fertilization. The male reproductive organs are found in the tail, while the female reproductive organs are found in the trunk. The sperm of the arrowworms are first to develop. Some eggs produced by arrowworms are released in the water. For deep sea species, the offspring is found in the sac, which is connected to the parent. Small arrowworms hatch from eggs. As for the developmental patterns, arrowworms possess characteristics of both protozoans and deuterostome. The formation of features like mesoderm from the gut classifies them as deuterostome. Thank you for attending today's class.
Wow, I love biology. Now, I have to keep my fans engaged and keep myself relevant, so I'm gonna go live on Instagram. I have some free time right now, so let's do some Q&A. Okay, first question is, are you all transparent in color? Great question, great question. Now, most of us Catignas are transparent and torpedo-shaped. However, there are some of our deep-sea cousins that are orange. Okay, next question. What's our value to humans? Okay, well that's actually a really good question. So, for the good old Homo sapiens, we arrowworms add diversity to nature. It's really interesting, isn't it? Okay, so next question. What's the purpose of the tufts of tiny hairs on my head? Wow, these questions are getting personal. Well, I actually rely on these tufts of tiny hairs to recognize the vibrations produced by our prey, which is, it's a part of my nervous system. They always keep me safe. Most of us live near the surface of the water where it's really clear and we can avoid predators super easily. Man, somebody asked about some of my most distinctive characteristics. Well, I have bilateral symmetry and a vermiform, meaning I have the shape of a worm, which makes sense because I'm, an arrowworm. And my body is divided into 3 sections: the head, the trunk, and the tail. So with that being said, Beck has nothing on me. My body has more than 2 cell layers, tissues, and organs. I'm covered in a thin, flexible cuticle on the top of the epidermis. And really? Somebody just asked if I have a circulatory system. You guys are freaking weird. It's almost like you guys have to give a presentation on me or something. Anyways, I actually don't have a circulatory system or gaseous exchange organs. To finish off my day, I like to do my homework. My jerk of a biology teacher gave me phylogenetic trees to analyze. Man, she is so uncool. In this tree, Rodentia is the outgroup, as the order diverged genetically from the rest of the orders farther back in time, and Camelidae and Hippopoda are sister taxa, as they're the orders that genetically diverged from each other most recently. See, this is a different tree, and in this one, the phylum Porifera is the outgroup, as it's the most structurally unrelated to all the other phyla. There are also two sister taxa, Echinodermata and Chordata, and Arthropoda and Mollusca. See, in this third tree here, Categnatha is listed as a more recent relative of Mollusca. And in addition, Mollusca and Arthropoda are not even sister taxa. These two sister taxa are structurally more closely related to each other than they are to the rest of the tree. You know what? As I was completing my health reading assignment, I just realized I have no larval stage, and I only have a 1 to 3 month lifespan. Guess how old I am? 2.5 months. Guys, this could be my very last video. And after my phylum has existed for 500 million years, please get me to 1 million subs. That's my dying wish. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell.